How to change your region in TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to launch the TikTok application on the device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging into your account, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you tap on profile, you'll be able to see the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen as well. So tap on it and then tap on settings and privacy. Now, as you tap on settings and privacy, here you'll be able to see different options. So just tap on the account option at the very first. So tap on account and then tap on account information over here. As you tap on that, here you'll be able to see the option of account region below phone number and your email. So tap on account region, and as you tap on that, you'll be able to see various options available for you. You can choose according to which is more suitable for you. And as I tap on that, for example, I'm going to choose for a new country over here. So I'm going to tap on New Zealand over here. Now after tapping on that, I have successfully changed the region on TikTok. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.